So I'm using this clipper for crystal remove. It stays really nice because we apply it really good on 3-step methods. Condensed glue gel, no white top coat, and precision glue. That's why they was like stay on really. Usually when I do with the clients, I usually hold one hand down, so then you won't like flying off on the ice, because they stay on really good and it's hard to get off. You can soak it in acetone as well. It's gonna dissolving it too, but a little bit slower. This one you don't have to worry about it's gonna damage anything on the nails at all, because this is all stay on the top, the surface of the set of nails. Sorry, because we have so many requests for seeing doing my nails done, so I'm gonna feel it, because you always see me doing new set. I'm about to do design today, but then I said, you know, so I'm gonna remove this all of the crystal off. It's gonna be hard to show off my nails because I'm doing my own nails, so it's hard, different. Because this tribal art is so beautiful. We'll have to say bye. Maybe next time we're gonna design it again. Oh my god, it's not coming off. This one is really cool and like that. The you still remove. So remove everything. It's gonna be really cool and interesting because I love the designs we're going to do. This I would like to share this the crystal remover for all of you who in the salon, or if you are trying to remove the crystal besides soaking off. Usually when you get that little like the tips of the crystal removers clipper, you're gonna try to get the tips right, sucks right in underneath of the base, which is the base really stay strong. It's not gonna come up, but then you go in a little bit and you kind of wiggle it out, and you can get the way to get, you know, clip it in, have a the grips, and then just clip it off because that the 3Ds come off. And then you can use the e-file to file all of the rest of them. They stay on like really concrete. If I don't feel my nails, and it will last good at least 4 weeks, if not longer. I have clients like wearing it for 6 weeks, 7 weeks is still good. But we don't want them to go that long, just under circumstance. If the client's going on vacation, or especially like right now in quarantine, there's like still stay on. I just get the clients to send me the video that she's had her nail for 7 weeks. You just trim them shoulders, and this one is beautiful. The flower. I have to say bye to the flowers. I can use the e-file to get this off. We did this flower 2 weeks ago, and I think we have these videos on YouTube. Hi, Nakisha. You can get much as possible. If not, then not a big deal. We're gonna remove them anyway. And I still have some sticker here, and I can using an e-file and get most of them off. And here's just the one I'm using. Put it on the side. Wipe it off down here. Clean that off. Great. So now I'm going to use my e-file because I don't need to remove my no, I do need it. Sorry. My 3D flowers. So oh, hi Nika. Hi ladies. So usually when I do the clients, I'm going in that direction. And I did have one layer of just really sheer pink on it, if you remember. So I able to clean most of my flower off already. Hi Nuna. Hi Foxy. How are you ladies doing? Something mean on it. There we go. So much easier if I'm not on the under camera because I can see it closer. But I'm having fun. I'm like gonna go, and then today's gonna be really nice, simple. We do a feel instead of me set. And if you would like to see how I place the tips on and how I build the structures and shaping from using e-file and the manual file, I think we have the video on Facebook or YouTube. You can see that, like how I do my own nails. It's like a little bit different angle, but I'm so excited because like anybody else, you know, you want like dying to just wait until you get the nails done. So I'm excited. Nika here earlier, and then it's like we're talking about how the nails and the shape and everything and the designs. So I think I removed most of majorities of all the stuff, and then I'm gonna clean it up the cuticles. Change my however you can, corn beads or tornadoes, so then I can change it to the sand. So now I'm using a sand bead, so then I can clean all that like all the edges from the cuticles, that if I need to really clean it. And I'll push up my cuticles. I push back my cuticles right here. You make sure that this is a really important step for prepping. This is the same thing when you're doing for the clients. If you would like to do a fill for them, fill in. It's really depend on the salons. Our salon don't take a fill from other people work. So when they have the clients that was not come, you know, like back or first time come with us and then ask for the fill, we can't. Unfortunately, we can't do a fill as much as we would love to, because we don't know if what people or other salons that using the products underneath of the client's nail. So, but if our clients nail, they get it done, then we do a fill because we know that what products we're using, and so then we can take care of the clients better. So I'm using a sand bead. This is a coarse, I think, grit. So I'm gonna do really clean. I did the clear last time, so I'm gonna fill the clear again this time. And I love that chant before. I was like inspired by one of the really talented nail tech. I think, I can't remember her name. So we're definitely gonna tag her when we're finished. And you're gonna do the same with all the rest of the nails. If you don't using an e-file, make sure that if you have the file, the manual ones, you want to make sure that the files have the right grits for you to do that. And then clean up around the cuticles area. I just like, I almost just do design today, but I said just I figured out and I'm up here, and I would like to share with all the nail techs beginners would like to learn how to do like really quick, simple, easy fills, prepping. So if you're prepping good, 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, the clients come back, their nails should be look like this, and it shouldn't have any like lifting or greening or anything at all underneath of the nails.